Hello, today we will guide you through how to label speakers in Otter AI. To get started, open Otter.ai in your web browser and make sure you're on the main Otter homepage. This is where you can access your recordings, conversations, and transcripts. If you're new to the platform, the homepage acts as your central workspace, so it's a good place to begin anytime you want to review or edit a recording. Once you're in Otter, click on Home. This will bring you to the section where your available recordings and notes are listed. If you're already there, that's perfect. The goal here is simply to make sure you're viewing the main list of files so you can open the correct conversation. From the Home section, select the sample recording. Opening the recording gives you access to the full content, including the summary, chat view, and transcript. If you're following along with a practice file, using a sample recording is a great way to learn how speaker labels work before editing an important meeting or interview. After the recording opens, click on Transcript. This is the view where Otter displays the conversation line by line, usually grouped by speaker segments. The Transcript tab is the most useful area for making speaker-related edits because it lets you see exactly who is saying what throughout the recording. Next, find the profile icon or speaker profile next to the section of text you want to label, and click on it. This opens the option to identify or rename that speaker. In Otter, speakers may appear with a generic label at first, especially if the platform hasn't automatically identified them yet. Clicking the profile area is how you begin assigning a clearer name or label. Now enter the sample label for that speaker. Type the name or label you want to use, making sure it's something easy to recognize. For example, you might use a role-based label or a simple identifier if you're organizing a transcript for review. Clear speaker labels make transcripts much easier to read, especially when multiple people are involved in the conversation. As a helpful tip, try to keep your labels consistent across the transcript so the conversation stays easy to follow. Once the label is entered, Otter can apply that identification to the relevant speaker throughout the recording, depending on how the transcript is grouped. That's it. You've successfully gone through the process of labeling a speaker in Otter.ai, making your transcript more organized, readable, and useful for future reference.